The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eco has finally made its way into the Indian automobile market with a refreshing update, blending practicality with subtle enhancements that make it more appealing to families and commercial users alike. Known for its affordability, spaciousness, and utility, the Eco continues to dominate the van segment with a focus on efficiency, durability, and versatility. Maruti Suzuki has retained the signature boxy design of the Eco, which maximizes cabin space, but minor design tweaks give it a slightly more modern look. The front fascia receives an updated grille, clear lens headlamps, and a sharper bumper design, improving the overall appearance without deviating from its utilitarian character. The side profile remains largely unchanged, maintaining sliding rear doors that offer easy ingress and egress, especially in tight urban spaces. Inside, the cabin sees notable improvements in material quality and ergonomics. The dashboard layout has been refreshed with better plastics, a digital instrument cluster, and new upholstery. While the Eco is still minimalistic, features like a touchscreen infotainment system, USB charging ports, and air conditioning now come as standard in higher trims. The seats offer better cushioning and support, making long journeys more comfortable, especially for commercial users transporting goods or passengers over longer distances. Under the hood, the 2025 Eco is powered by a 1.2-litre dual-jet petrol engine compliant with the latest BS6 Phase 2 emission norms. This engine is tuned for maximum fuel efficiency and low-end torque, making it suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. It generates around 81 horsepower and 104 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The engine is smooth and refined, delivering consistent power and impressive mileage, which is a key selling point for budget-conscious users. One of the biggest highlights of the 2.5 model is the improved safety package. Maruti Suzuki has equipped the new Eco with standard dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, engine immobilizer, and seatbelt reminders. These updates make the Eco compliant with current safety standards while offering peace of mind to buyers who use it for family or business transport. The Eco is available in multiple seating configurations, 5-seater, 7-seater, and a cargo variant, making it a flexible option for various needs. Whether it's used as a delivery van, school van, or family transporter, it continues to be a reliable and low-maintenance choice. The cargo variant, in particular, is expected to be a favorite among small-scale entrepreneurs and delivery services due to its large boot space and payload capacity. On the road, the Eco drives with confidence. The suspension setup, while basic, handles Indian road conditions well, absorbing bumps and potholes with ease. Maneuverability in crowded city streets is another strength, thanks to the compact dimensions and tight turning radius. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Eco remains one of the most value-driven vehicles in its segment. With practical updates in design, comfort, safety, and performance, it continues to serve as a trusted workhorse for families and businesses. While it may not offer luxury or premium features, it delivers exactly what it's meant for: affordability, reliability, and functionality. For those looking for a practical van with proven performance, the Eco stands strong as a dependable choice yet again.